So real fast, before we get into anything else, specifically with the tutorial of how to build your actual blog, in the next video, I'm going to go over, why you're going to want to eventually morph your traffic to a paid site with paid hosting, as opposed to your free Wix blog that I'll show you how to set up in 2 videos from now. But so you're eventually going to want to morph your traffic over to a paid site with your own hosting for various reasons that I'll go into in the next video. But just to update the PowerPoint a little bit for you, some of the best the best site hosting services, in my opinion, there's millions of them. There's always going to be a bunch of these things, but these are just the top ones that I like. I prefer HostGator, to be honest. I also like GoDaddy a lot, but as you can see, I've listed many here you can pick from. Like I said, GoDaddy and HostGator are my 2 favorites. Some of the best paid site builders, in my opinion. Obviously, WordPress is, if you're semi-advanced, you know what you're doing a little bit. WordPress is great because it gives you a little bit more flexibility and, a little bit more creativeness and creative space to kind of do what you want. But there's also other ones that are great. Wix is phenomenal. I use it all the time. Squarespace is great. Weebly is good. And Jimdo's good. You can pick whatever one you want, but I like these ones the best. Obviously, my top 2 favorites would be Wix and WordPress, but Squarespace, Weebly, and Jimdo will do just fine if you prefer them too. Some of the best domain sites to get your domain name once you morph your traffic over. I love GoDaddy personally, but Namecheap's also great, and you can go to Google Domains. I just want to give you a couple of ideas, to get your web hosting services, get your site building services, and buy your domain name. I won't be going over these in the future, so I just put them in the PowerPoint just for you to get a little bit of a grasp on if you didn't already know. So just want to give you a little bit of value that way.